Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever it is for you. What's up, cousins, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys had a great Christmas day. Thank you guys for all of the cards that you sent to me. I really do appreciate it. Each and every one of you for doing that. You didn't have to take time out of your day, but you did. And I hope that you guys enjoyed your Christmas. We are back at it. So many things are happening right now. It is kind of unbelievable. So there are 4 power substations that have been vandalized in Washington State. I do have a clip that I will put in this video for you guys to watch. I mean, more and more things are happening. We had the ones that happened in North Carolina, Oregon. So is it a fluke accident? Is it a copycat? Is it domestic?
News overnight, 4 power substations in Washington State vandalized, including one found set ablaze overnight, knocking out power on Christmas.
Officials this morning are urgently searching for a suspect or suspects who vandalized 4 substations, creating a Christmas nightmare for 14,000 customers in Washington State yesterday, leaving people without power for much of the holiday. Officials at one of the substations say they arrived to find a fire that was set intentionally. At others, they say there was forced entry and equipment was vandalized, causing a power outage in the area. Right now it's unclear if this was a coordinated attack on the grid, but there were also multiple other recent attacks on power stations. 2 substations attacked in North Carolina just a few weeks ago that knocked out power for 100,000 residents, and 6 separate attacks on substations in Washington and Oregon in recent weeks, including on Thanksgiving Day. Now, even though we don't know what the motive was on those cases, the Department of Homeland Security warned earlier this year that domestic extremists could target.
Let me know in the comments what you think about it. And also, another thing that happened is a food bank in upstate South Carolina came back in today after the holidays to find the building flooded. You guys, burst pipes, water is everywhere, lots of damage to the building itself. They said that they hope to be able to salvage what they have in the building. So again, that is a food bank in upstate South Carolina that will not be able to provide needs to residents in that area. Times are getting hard. Prices are constantly going up, whether it's eggs, milk, probably pretty soon bread, and things are running out because things aren't being stocked up. There are so many people that are stuck in their homes due to the severe weather that we have been having. Snow on top of snow. Is almost looked like Ice Age. It almost looked like that movie Day After Tomorrow where everything froze over. And when going outside could possibly kill you, frostbite or whatever. So guys, stay safe, stay warm. Just wanted to bring you this short video. Watch these clips. Let me know what you think in it. And by the way, I did post in my community post who the winners are. So go to that community post, follow the instructions, and I hope to talk to you soon in my email. Take care. Share this video out. Hit the like button. I love you, but God loves you more. I'll see you in the next video.
I'm stuck in the middle. Yeah, I'm stuck in between. I'm stuck in a position. I'm just a machine. So you're stuck in the middle, huh? I guess we're stuck in between. Life is a riddle, yeah. And I